The vlog is now uploading, guys, and it will only take 19 minutes. Sobrang bilis ng internet dito. Oh my goodness. It is already 2:57, Monday na, and I am just about to crawl into bed. Oh my gosh. I have like a few more stuff to rearrange tomorrow, but overall, I packed everything na. One more thing I wanted to show you guys is this one. Different features kasi yung ano niya, yung lights niya. So it's either if you press master, everything will turn off. As in, everything will turn off. So itong dalawang dulo for the curtains yan. So this one bedside, mawawala yung bedside. Did you see another one? Yan. Off yung bedside. We also have the night light. Okay, ang nangyari is nawala yung mga ilaw dito. Pero, ang nag-open is yung mga ilaw sa ilalim there. Super cool. Ilaw sa ilalim. Then, another one dito sa ilalim. Okay? And then, anong next? This one naman is the master. Close mo lahat. Open. Okay? And then, we also have work. Pag work, medyo maliwanag. Namatay lang nandoon. Maliwanag siya overall, but not too bright. Okay? The very last one naman is my favorite, which is relax. Yan. Okay, so anong nangyari? Open yan. Open din yung mga ilaw above the bed. And everything else like that. Yan. Bongga, no? It's still a gloomy day, guys. And since it is a holiday, walang tao sa road. Grabe, walang kotse, walang tao. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So I'm so happy I got like 6 hours of sleep because I went to bed at 3 a.m. and then I woke up at 9:30. 9 o'clock, ganyan. Yay! Anyway, we're gonna go down for breakfast. I wasn't able to do my makeup na. I'm gonna let my skin breathe. Nag-wash lang ako together with the Asian Secrets soap. Now, let's go! It's almost, ano na kasi, anong oras na ba? Mag-ano na? Magti-10 na. Eh, hanggang 10 lang yung breakfast nila. I actually received na a note from under the door. And they said, nagkakaroon sila ng problema sa internet connection. Nakakaloka, no? Pero parang okay naman. And since nag-impake na ako kagabi, medyo maayos na dito. This is my outfit for today. Super simple. Sweater and then jeans. Yun lang. Let's go eat! Lobby area nila, madaming mirrors. There's another mirror. Here's my breakfast, guys. So I ordered again a laksa, mukhang masarap with no shrimp. And then I have here a couple of stuff. Actually, ubos na yung iba nga ng rice. So I got waffle, croissant, tomatoes, sausage, ampalaya, and some beans. Breakfast area. Then you can go out here. Look at the view. It's nice. Done taking a bath, guys. Now I have to pack everything na lang. Tapos, alis na ako. Mag-check out na ako. It started raining. Ang daming tumatakbo ngayon. Look at the ang pangat ng weather. Well, before leaving, I want to try out their coffee. This one. I have water. I've been meaning to try this one out. Yung intense and creamy. Kasi hindi ako masyado naka-coffee kanina. This one. Let's try it. So, I already put some water dun sa lagayan, sa likod. And then, naka-open na siya. Next step is pulling this up and then putting in the capsule. Sorry, nalaglag. Yan naman yung shape niya, so alam mo lang kung ano. Yan, sakto. Then we're gonna push it. Done packing, guys. Na-check ko na yung bag. Na-check ko na yung bed. Na-check ko na lahat. Wala na akong naiwan. Everything is packed. Yan. Ito na lang, tsaka yung water. Kasi ang dami kong dalang water. Leaving now, guys. Bye, room. Bathroom is clean or clear. Okay. Okay, let's go. Now, ready Uber, guys. On my way home. The makeup tutorial, i-edit ko yun and then I'll upload tonight. But yun, yung vlog kahapon na-upload na. So, go ahead and watch it. Finally home, guys. So, I'll be unpacking later on. What I am going to do right now is to watch YouTube videos. And if you didn't know, merong offline, parang you can save videos offline for watching later. Available siya. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-save ako ng a bunch of videos kanina nung mabilis pa yung internet. And now, they're available for viewing since na-save na siya ng YouTube and then I can watch it kahit walang internet. Yay!